Hey everyone, Kid Praktikal here with Praktikal Rice. It is day 4 of the Switzerland tour. We just had lunch at a Thai buffet place called Maison Thai. Fairly good, fairly authentic. Marianne had pad Thai because she didn't want any of the spicy stuff that they had to offer. We're just on the way to town right now to buy some food for dinner. I think we're gonna cook some grilled pork, some papaya salad, and sticky rice, and some other stuff because, you know what, my mom's a genius. She's gonna cook all of it. It's gonna be great. Gonna show you how she does it. We're gonna show us eating it. It's gonna be great, so stay tuned. It is 5 o'clock, perfect time to start cooking. We got some sticky rice soaked here for a couple of hours now. Tonight we're gonna make sticky rice with some grilled pork and some papaya salad, classic Thai style. My mom is gonna be marinating the pork. There is my mother. There's no exact measurements here. We're not going with a recipe, we're going by feel. Pop it into the pan and hope for the best. Taste it halfway first, but you know, with the marinade, you can't taste it halfway. We're just gonna do it. Starting with the pork, normally we have pork neck, but we're using pork loin because pork neck is too fatty for us today. Keeping it healthy. Got some pepper for the marinade, some dark soya sauce. Healthy Boy brand. Not sure how healthy it is, but it's a healthy boy brand. Oyster sauce, sweet soy sauce, also by the Healthy Boy brand. Definitely not healthy, that one. Fish sauce, a little bit of milk, palm sugar, garlic, and coriander root. We're not putting coriander root in today because Marianne has she has weird taste buds and coriander tastes like soap to her. Apparently it's a genetic thing, but let's not go into that right now. Let's move on to the sauce. We got sticky rice. We're not actually gonna put the sticky rice into the sauce just like that. We're roasting it first and then blending it and then mixing it in tamarind sauce, some fish sauce, and then some other ingredient. Oh, palm sugar. Palm sugar and some chili. It is going to be delicious. We start the marinade off by getting the garlic ready. The way we do it is just smash it with the edge of the knife to de-skin it. Way easier than just chopping it in small pieces. Next, put the garlic into a mortar and a handful of black peppercorn. Mash it finely into a paste like so. And put it on the side. Next, we add 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce into a bowl. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, and lastly, prep 2 tablespoons of palm sugar on the side as well. We're gonna put everything into a mixing bowl, starting with the paste, then the sauce, and then the palm sugar. My mom also added 2 tablespoons of milk just to tenderize the meat a little bit, make it slightly creamier. This is optional, of course. So if you're lactose intolerant, well, don't add any. Just go ham with your hand and really get all that marinade into the meat. What we like to do is cut off a tiny little bit once it's done marinating and pop it into the microwave for 30 seconds. 40 seconds later, having a little taste test. Ooh. Oh man. Good. That's so soft and so sweet and peppery. Oh, I love being home. But yeah, that was only 5 minutes in the marinade. Imagine what's gonna be 2 hours from now. And that's only in the microwave as well. Wait till we grill it. It's gonna be so good. Or air fry. There we go, we're gonna air fry it.
We're gonna go.
Next, grab a Ziploc bag and put all the meat inside. Leave it to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours. You can always leave it for longer because, well, it'll get tastier and more tender, of course. Since I'm not cooking, I am on the cleaning duty. Moving on to the sauce now, we are starting to roast the sticky rice. We're roasting it with kaffir lime leaf and lemongrass, and that's the integral part of the sauce, what makes it unique, because otherwise it's just tamarind sauce and lime and sugar and chili. Sticky rice, the roasted sticky rice is what gives the taste. Chop the stalk of lemongrass finely and rip the kaffir lime leaf roughly in half, and then add the sticky rice and all the herbs into a pan. Roasting the sticky rice on the pan, medium-high heat. Got kaffir lime leaves in there, got lemongrass, and we're just gonna brown it just a little bit. We don't want to burn it. There's no water in there either, so it's actually gonna roast really dryly, if that's even a word. Oh, I can smell it already. It smells so herby. Keep stirring the mixture into a pan until it's golden brown. Make sure that this does not burn because it is such a crucial part to the sauce. Just finished roasting the sticky rice. Smells so fragrant right here. Just leave it to cool, and then we're gonna blend it. We can either blend it or just crush it, but blending is easier. And while that is cooling, we're gonna start making the base of the sauce. For the sauce, in the pan on low heat, put 4 tablespoons of tamarind sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime, 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, and if you wish, a little bit of chili flakes just to add that kick. Everything's prepared. The pork is in the fridge marinating. The roasted sticky rice is cooling down. We're now just waiting for a couple of hours for that sauce to seep right in. So perfect time to have our drink. Yeah, I don't like that. 2 hours have passed and it is now time to cook the meat. In this instance, we use the Philips air fryer, but you can always use an oven or just put it on the barbecue. We cooked it at 185 degrees for roughly 15 minutes. What's great about the air fryer is that we can just leave it and not have to flip it. It's really an easy way to cook things. And as you can see, 15 minutes later, the meat is now cooked as if it's been grilled in the oven. And are you really cooking at home if you don't steal a piece while it's cooking? Taking the first bite of the cooked pork in the air fryer.
Grilled pork. It's good?
So tender. So fragrant. It's just so sweet and peppery and garlicky. Oh man, it's so nice and soft as well. Oh gosh, I love being home. And finally, slice the pork thinly and serve onto a plate. And to go with the pork as a side, we're also having papaya salad, Thai style. And for the Som Tum, we have carrots and unripe papaya. If you don't have unripe papaya, then you can use green apple as well. It'll be a bit sweeter though. First, we put a clove of garlic into the mortar, along with some chili, and then we add juice from 1 lime, 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Next, add the papaya and the carrot. Mush the entire thing until the juice runs deep into the fruit/vegetable. With everything cooked, it's time to serve everything. Grab yourself a bowl of steaming hot sticky rice, and then in another bowl, grab some sauce. Top that sauce with some roasted sticky rice that you made earlier, and also a little bit of spring onion and some coriander if you wish. Dinner is ready. We're about to sit down for a feast created by my very own mother and my sister. the sauces have been mixed, the rice has been served, and the pork has been cut. I am ready to have my, it's not my first bite, I'm lying, I had a few bites in the kitchen. I'm ready to have my first official bite. I'm gonna go in with papaya salad. Woo. That is spicy. Oh, that is so good. You get that fishy taste, but the good kind of fishy taste mixed in with the sour from the lime and the sweetness. The sweetness really comes through because palm sugar is much more sweeter than white sugar for some reason, but it has its creamy taste to it as well. But enough of that. I am now gonna go in with the pork and the sticky rice. Nice, hot, sticky rice with the pork. I love sticky rice. It is so good. Piping hot, and then mixed with that grilled pork. Sticky rice is great because you can have it with grilled stuff, fried stuff. As long as you don't have it with curry, you're golden. Don't be that person. Don't mix curry with sticky rice. The magic of eating with sticky rice is that you can roll it up in a ball and dip it into the sauce. Got the tamarind sauce here to go on top of that pork. Just gonna lather it on because Thai food is all about the sauce. It's all about mixing all those flavors together. Again, one bite of sticky rice,
I can cut more.
one bite of pork.
One song can also take it back in back.
That extra sour and sweetness coming from the sauce complements the pork so well. It's just tender. I'm in heaven right now. I keep saying it. I love being home because of this.
He just missed me because of the food.
I miss my mom because of the food. Yeah, I think I've tasted everything. Gonna keep on eating, man. I'm so gonna stuff my face tonight. That was an amazing meal. I am so full right now, as I always am when I'm home. Right now I have cleaning duty, of course. And that concludes our Swiss adventure. It's been a great 4 days, had a lot of good food, hung out with the family. Couldn't ask for a better holiday. So if you like this video, please click the like button and please subscribe for more Praktikal Rice adventure. Until next time, see you later.